I could win the lottery tomorrow and go to Tahiti and you guys would never see me again, never hear from me. I wouldn't care about what my investments are doing. Now, that's not true. I would still manage all my investments until they sold. But you've got to look at it. What if something happens to Shawn and he can't or is not going to take care of the investment anymore? Does he have a good team around him? Is he partnered with somebody that can step in and take over? That's another way to diversify the risk, is you have a good partnership team where somebody else on the team can step in. In my corporate job, one of the first things I would do when I took a new position is give me a few weeks to get a good handle on it. And then the very next thing I start doing, I start looking for somebody that can replace me, somebody I can train.
That's right.
And everybody goes, why would you want to be replaced? I'm going, if you can't be replaced, you can't go on vacation and you can't get promoted. I do the same thing with multifamily. I want to make sure I've got a replacement because I've got a vacation coming up here in about a month and a half, and I'm going to be gone for 3 or 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Somebody's got to take care of stuff while I'm gone.